What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. Today I got a quick unboxing slash review, whatever. I don't know what I'm naming the video yet, but I'm about to bring y'all the Inertias. I finally got them. Like I said, I didn't strike on them with Adidas.com. This is Adidas original. I had to get them on GOAT app, which I got them for a little bit over retail. And you know what, GOAT, I get them straight to my APO address, which is a major blessing, man. So shouts out to GOAT for another 700 in the collection, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Ring notification bell for your boy. And follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. And right here, go ahead and check out some old content that I posted. And I really appreciate it, man. Hit that thumbs up, give it to 100 likes. And let's get to this package, man. Let's get it. So like I said, I got this from GOAT app. I knew I got this one before I got the salts. That's why I named the video yesterday. I said, or the day before yesterday, I said they sent me the wrong sneakers because I thought this is the one I was picking up from my P.O. box when I went to go get my sneakers. And I was excited for them. I was like ready to do the review and stuff like that. And now I'm finally getting them. You know, they come in a little small box. Like all my 700s came in so far. And you already know how I come. The GOAT around the box, man. Y'all getting used to that, seeing that GOAT app, man. GOAT app needs to sponsor me all the money I've been dropping with them lately just because I finally figured out that these ship overseas. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I really appreciate that, man. On $10 shipping, just like a regular shipping fee in the States, and major bless up. Got the brown paper in here. You already know what it is, man. Let me pull it out. Let me pull it out. Check it out. You already know the Adidas logo down here. Adidas Yeezy Boost 700. And I did get this one, and it said the box was damaged very badly. And now I see why. Check it out right here. That box is crazy. I don't know what happened, but the shoe is verified, and that's all that matters. I'm not gonna rock the box. And they sent me the wrong, no, didn't it? I don't think they sent me the wrong size. I think I picked a 9.5 because I wanted to see how the 9.5 feels. Let me check real quick. Okay, I did get a size 9.5. I knew it was either the salts or these. I know I got 9.5 because I want to see how the difference feels, because I can rock the 8.5 to a 9.5, and I want to see how this 9.5 will fit on my feet with the socks and stuff like that, because the 9's a little bit snug, and I want to get a little extra breathing room with my sneakers. And I was like, might as well try on one of these 700 I get, and I finally got it. Damaged box, which is not bad. Like I said, I'm not rocking the box. I'm rocking the sneakers. You already know how I am. Let's peel it open. Let's see who verified today. EG. There you go. GOAT card. Like my 6th one so far. Got the regular tab paper. And finally, I have them in the collection. Check them out. Adidas Yeezy 700 Inertia joints. Finally, check them out, man. These things is cold, bro. They cold. Woo! I knew I would like these more in person. Especially with the salts as well. And yeah, I finally got them. Got that little peach or coral, whatever you want to call it. Little paws right there. And I don't think those are reflective, but you already know how the 700s come reflective in here. These two reflective, and this is reflective as well. And right here too. And it come with any extra laces or anything like that. You got like 4 different blues on this thing. Really, you got a blue right here on the midsole. You got a different little blue in between the midsole and the heel right here, as you can see. And then the suede on the back is different from the side panels. It's leather on the side. It's leather all down here. Check it out. And then you come back over here, you get more suede. And on the toe box, you get like a suede slash nubuck feel on the toe box. Check it out. So it's like 3 different blues, a couple of grays, some tan, some peaches. There's a lot of colors going on with this one, and I like it, man. I like how Yeezy is throwing the different colors and not making things boring. It's not saying bread colorways and stuff like that. They're giving us something new, something more popping. And yeah, I'm going on the wave. I've been on this wave. I told y'all, like, Yeezys I want more of. I said this last year, and I've been copping a lot more Yeezys. I've been rocking a lot more Yeezys. Different fits, dope fits, I feel like. And with the 700, I feel like my best outfits came out, and with my Yeezys in general, like, I can put a lot more different outfits with my Yeezys because I can be more diverse with like what colors I want, stuff like that. And I don't have to wear like the same red and black, the white and black, stuff like that. Y'all can check out my Instagram post. Y'all will see some of the different pictures I took with my Yeezys on. Check it out. Go follow me at DeVintage World. Link in the description box below. So go follow me. And yeah, let me pull the other one out real quick. And like I said, you don't get anything extra inside the box. Just a regular tan paper in your 700 box. If your box come damaged, don't worry about it. Like I said, you're not gonna rock the box. You're not. So official colorways: Inertia, man. size 9.5. Check it out. Adidas 700 Boost. And yeah, here go the other one right here. Comes with the tag. You already know. Y'all know how the 700s come. I wish I can be more up to date with the Yeezy 700 reviews, but it's either I'm at work or I get them off GoDaddy because I don't feel like taking the L. I was gonna go up to Nuremberg a couple hours or hour away to get the sneakers so I can review, but wait, work call, man. Gotta feed the family, you feel me? These don't have a lot of factory flaws. I have not had any of my Yeezys have a lot of factory flaws yet. I haven't been like searching with a magnifying glass or anything like that. But usually like with Jordan brand, you will see a lot of like glue stains and stuff. But on these, I do not. Maybe like a little paint discoloration right there, which is not bad. Like I said, I'm about to be rocking these kicks. About to throw them straight to Feet Gang. Gotta find a fit for these. And y'all will see a clothing haul very, very soon, either tomorrow or Saturday. I don't know what day I'm gonna post it because I'm gonna post a couple more videos about copper drops with like a couple of sneakers that's dropping for the rest of the month. And yeah, I gotta catch up with my videos. I got a lot of videos I wanna do and I don't have enough time. I need more time on my hands, you feel me? That will be coming very soon, trust and believe that. That is the quick review. Quick review. And one more thing, these laces are like a gray. I feel like these laces can go with the salts. Let me grab them real quick. Right here. I feel like the salt and these laces kind of, I don't know. These can go into those. Like, that's pretty much what I'm saying. But here go the salts. I did unboxing on these the day before yesterday. Y'all go check it out if y'all not watched that unboxing. And I named it, I got the wrong sneakers because I did get the wrong sneakers. I thought I was gonna get these before I got these, but look at these things. Got that heat. They not heat to most people, but they heat in my opinion. Whatever you think is your heat, it's your heat. So these are my heat, you feel me? This is my quick review over these Adidas Yeezy 700 Boost Inertias. Must cop for me, and a lot more 700s, a lot more Yeezys in general coming to the collection. I cannot wait. So y'all join the journey. Go ahead and subscribe. Ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another post notification, live stream, video, or anything else that pops on the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy, man. Let's get this video up to 100 likes. Smash the thumbs up right now. Comment down below if you cop these Adidas Yeezy 700 Inertias. And follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. Description box below for the third time I said. So go follow me. And with all that being said, you guys, I'm going to catch you in the next video, man. Peace.